I am a highly accomplished leader and I have extensive experience in AI, customer experience, and technology. I am super committed to customer service or community service as well. I serve on multiple boards. I'm a sought after speaker. And throughout my journey, I've personally used and shared customized resiliency kits with hundreds of individuals, and I've helped them lead their best lives. So, my journey towards giving a TEDx talk began with this deep fear of public speaking. When I moved to the US about 20 years ago, I had a really strong accent and people couldn't understand me, and this only amplified my anxiety. So I struggled to be understood, which made speaking in front of others feel even more daunting. But over time, I developed customized resiliency kits to manage my many fears, including public speaking, to step outside my comfort zone. And I shared this system with hundreds of people that I mentor. And as I saw this transformative impact these kids had on their lives, it really inspired me to share this approach on an even bigger stage. So to answer your questions, there's two reasons why I wanted to do a TEDx talk. One is that as someone who has conquered my own fear of public speaking, I've now spoken at Grace Hopper, which is the world's largest women's technology conference, and CCW, which is one of the largest conferences for customer experience. I felt like taking on the world's biggest stage at TEDx feels like this ultimate milestone. And the second reason is that after seeing the difference my resiliency kits have made in lives of thousands of others, I should say, I'm passionate about amplifying this message to reach and empower millions, and hopefully in my TEDx talk. When I first arrived in the US from India, I had no local contacts, I had no education here, and I was working in technology, a male-dominated field, and I had no experience talking to men because I went to an all-girls boarding school. So rising from these circumstances to become a leader in technology wouldn't have been possible without customized resiliency kits that I learned from my grandparents growing up in India. Using these kits, I learned to conquer stress and push through many difficult challenges by shifting my mindset and applying this practical tool. So when I came across this striking statistic that 70 to 90% of all doctors' visits were due to stress-related ailments, and that 1 in 4 people wish they had made different life choices, I really felt compelled to share what has helped me. So I really feel that by talking about how to master stress, I can inspire others to lead more fulfilling lives. And so 2 years ago, I put together a set of keywords for my personal brand. So every time they thought about me, I wanted people to associate me with these keywords. The first one was inspiring leader, and then customer experience and AI. So I built all of my content around these themes to reinforce my brand identity for those people who engage with me. So I regularly share written posts on LinkedIn, I create videos on Instagram, and I speak at conferences, all with the messages aligned to those core keywords. And what this strategy has helped me do is stay focused and consistent by allowing my brand to resonate more deeply with my audience. In February of 2023, I decided to pursue a TEDx talk. But I had no idea, no roadmap, no clear guidance on how to approach the process. Fortunately, I found LEADR early on, which the team provided invaluable support. They helped me understand every aspect, from how to craft my speech to navigate the whole application process, and how do I approach it even after I landed my talk. So because of their guidance, I really didn't encounter major challenges. I chose right the first time. So having access to this expertise right from the start really made my journey smoother than I anticipated. From someone that really had anxiety public speaking to get to a place where my TEDx has hundreds of thousands of views, I now really feel that I can do anything. So thank you for that, LEADR. I mean, you have been instrumental in helping me land this talk, and this is a big thing for me, so I appreciate you.